Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting the camera in manual mode and choosing RAW so you have editing latitude. Set ISO low in bright light and increase only when needed to keep noise down. Next, pick an aperture that matches your depth goal, wide for subject separation, narrow for landscape, and set a shutter speed that prevents camera or subject blur. Start at 1/125's handheld. Once done, glance at the meter readout to see whether you are underexposed or overexposed before moving on. Now you balance the exposure triangle. Change aperture to control depth, shutter speed for motion, and ISO for sensitivity, making trade-offs as needed. Use the histogram and highlight blinkies to confirm you are not clipping shadows or highlights. In live view, magnify the critical area to fine-tune manual focus or enable focus peaking for faster confirmation. Once done, if the scene has movement, raise shutter or widen aperture. If static, lower ISO to improve image quality and lock your settings. You finish by capturing test shots, reviewing the image and histogram, and making final tweaks. Bracket exposures when contrast is high to preserve detail. Set accurate white balance now or shoot a reference gray card to fix color later. After adjustments, lock your settings or use a custom mode for repeatability. If images are consistently soft or dark, troubleshoot. Reduce ISO noise concerns, clean and receipt lens contacts, and if blur persists, move to a faster shutter or stabilize with a tripod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.